Hello and welcome to Maths with Mr. Holmes. What will you learn today? Let me tell you. It's fraction pyramids, part 3, addition and subtraction. We have our steps to learning written up clearly so you can follow along step by step as we go. We know how to add fractions, we know how to subtract fractions, so let's put all that knowledge together to solve some pyramid problems. Okay, our puzzle today. Let's look at the pyramid. We have a fraction on the top, and then we have two fractions on the bricks at the bottom. And then we've got 3 blank ones. Let's identify our fractions. 8/10 here, 2/10 and 3/10 on the bottom. They're all common denominators. Okay, so as it's an addition and subtraction puzzle, we need to know what we do for each one. The add part, we need to add the bricks next to each other. The subtract part, we need to subtract the brick below from the brick above. So I'm going to start with an addition one. Add the bricks next to each other. I've got 2 here. I'm going to put my add sign in between the 2 bricks to help me. Let's go ahead and do that. 2/10 add 3/10. That is 5/10. The answer goes on the brick above. So it's going to be 5/10. Don't need to follow these parts. These are if I'm going to do subtraction. So I can hop on to, all right, like every good mathematician, I'm going to check my work. 2/10 add 3/10 is 5/10. We're going to check using the inverse, and the inverse of addition is, that's right, subtraction. 5/10 take away 3/10 would leave me with 2/10. Excellent, I'm happy with that. And then we repeat. Okay, I'm going to start again then. Look at my pyramid. I've got 2 blank here. Identify the fractions. So I've got 8/10, 5/10, 2/10, and 3/10. Can I add any bricks? Add bricks next to each other. I've got these 2, but I've already got that one. No, I can't do these steps. So let's go on to the subtraction. I subtract a brick below from a brick above. Okay, so I'm going to use this top one. 8/10. Take away 1 below. Take away 5/10. That will give me 3/10. And I'll place the answer and the brick to the side. So that's here. 3/10. And then I check. I think I'm going to use the inverse. I'm going to use addition. 2 bricks next to each other. 3/10 add 5/10, and that equals 8/10. Yes. Happy with that? And then we repeat. We have 1 final brick left. Now we worked out before, didn't we, that we didn't have any other addition to do. This is not 2 next to each other. We have already looked at the pyramid and identified our fractions. Let's work out which ones that we need. We can't add. We said we need to subtract a brick below from the brick above. So now I've got 3/10. 1 below it, that's 2/10. So 3/10 take away 2/10 will give me 1/10. Answer goes on the brick to the side. So 1/10. And now I need to check. I'm going to check using the inverse. That's addition. 1/10 add 2/10. That gives me 3/10. Fantastic. I'm happy with that. I can't repeat anymore. I filled in the pyramid. Like every good mathematician, I've checked my work and repeated, and we've solved an addition and subtraction fraction pyramid. So there you have it. It's as easy as that. See you again soon for some more maths fun.